too.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali Mota back here with another video for you guys, and today is day 9 of Stylemas, the last day. It's the day before Christmas. Honestly, this video was late, and only because I was debating on whether or not I wanted to post it, because as I was filming this video, you guys will see as the outfits go on, it'll get darker and darker just because the sun was setting as I was filming. But I feel like the content was still good, like it was still good quality, so that's why I decided to still post it. And that's why I was like a little bit late with it, but honestly once I put it all together on the laptop, I was like, honestly it looks good, I don't care, I'm gonna post it. And plus I didn't get to any of the trends that originated in the Latinx community, so that brings me to today's video, which is styling a trend that originated in the Latinx community, which is the off-the-shoulder top. And honestly, originally I was very surprised that this originated in the Latinx culture, but honestly it makes sense because I have seen a lot of like off-the-shoulder tops and like the ruffles, like the dancers and stuff like that in a lot of Latinx culture, traditions and stuff like that. So it just makes sense. Afterwards I was like, oh well, yeah, this makes sense. But I'm going to read to you guys a little bit on the article that I read, and I will also link this down below as well for you guys to read on your own. And there's a couple of other trends on there as well if you guys want to do your own spin off of this and, like, you know, style your own trends. Definitely tag me in them and all that. So what I have here, it says off the shoulder, the origin. According to local historians such as Laura Beltran Rubio, it said Varela noted the off the shoulder was part of the traditional attire worn by mestizos, who are people with a mix of Spanish and indigenous descent, so you know, makes sense. And then that's kind of like the origination of it and like where it came from. And then it says as you scroll down a little bit, it's kind of consists of like the defining details of it. So it says it consists of a top with an off-the-shoulder silhouette and ruffles, accompanied by a pollera, which is a long skirt with ruffles at the bottom, which is kind of like what I was telling you guys at the beginning. Like I have seen that in a lot of like cultures, a lot of like Latinx cultures, that they have like the ruffled skirt at the bottom with off-the-shoulder top. So that's why it made sense to me. And then it says the fabric would vary depending on the climate and the social status of the wearer, but overall cotton was the most common of the materials. So yeah, that's basically like a little bit of a summary of what it had on there, and I'm really excited for you guys to see the outfits that I styled. I didn't do like the whole like skirt thing, but like, you know, kind of like a modern day of what's coming back and what's in style type of thing. So yeah, if you guys are excited to see how I styled this, and just keep on watching, let's just jump right into the video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah. You's a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, they got nothing on you. They got nothing. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. Hey, look. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticker. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got jump out of a window if you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem.
Alright, my love, so that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is it for today and for Stylemas. I'm honestly so proud that I actually went through with like everything. I was like so scared because I was like, I made a promise to people and I had to keep that promise. So, and I did, even though it was final season and all that. I'm really happy about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this and like learned a little bit about everything and just like the overall meaning, because it was very meaningful to me. Let me know in the comments down below for this video specifically which outfit was your favorite, or if you guys have watched everything from the series from Stylemas, then let me know in the comments down below which video was your favorite, which look, which style trend that I recreated was your favorite. I love you guys all so much, and also please comment down below some content ideas, like what you guys would like to see me recreate, or what some video ideas you guys would like to see me, if you guys want to see more of like my personal life or more like fashion videos. Make sure you guys comment that all down below. I'm free, like I said. I finished school for the semester, so I have like a month off, and I'm excited to make some content for you guys. I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, and yeah. So without further ado, enough of me talking. I love you guys all so much, and I appreciate you all so much. If you guys want to see all my future uploads, then make sure you guys turn your post notifications on, like this video, and comment down below. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.